The first question of this exercise is saying that the cost of fountain pen is 13.25 rupees. What is the cost of such 8 pens? As I told you in unitary method, whenever we have to find the more thing, we always multiply. Okay. So this is the question number 1, and the cost of one pen is 13.25 rupees, and you have to find the cost of, therefore the cost of 8 pens will be 13.25 into 8. We will multiply it by the 8, and when you will multiply, you will get the cost of the such 8 pens in rupees. 8 5 are 40, 4 carry, and 8 2 are 16, and 4 20. 2 carry, 8 3 are 24, 24.2, 26, 2 carry, and 8 1 are 8 into 10, and decimal is given after 2 digits. So we will put the point or decimal after 2 digits, 1 2. This means the value of and the cost of 8 such pen is 106 rupees. Now after the second question, the cost of 25 identical article is 218.25 rupees. You have to find the cost of the one article. As I told you, whenever we have to find the cost of one article, we always divide. So, cost of 25 articles is equal to 218.25 rupees is given. Therefore, cost of one article will be 218.25 upon 25. Okay, when you will solve it, then you will get the value of the cost of the one article. First of all, you will just remove the decimal and you will write the 100 in denominator, because after 2 digit point is given there, so you will write the 100. If after 1 digit point is given there, so you will write the 10. Now you will solve it and you will get the answer of this question. Got it? Now after that, question number 3. The length of iron rod is 10.32 meter. The rod is divided into 4 pieces of equal length. Find the length of each piece. The total length, this is the question number 3. Total length of rod is given, it is the 10.32 meter. Okay, and rod is being divided in 4 equal pieces. Number of pieces, number of pieces of rod, that is the 4. Okay, so length of each piece of rod will be, we will divide this by the 4, 10.32 upon 4. When you will divide it, you will get the answer of the each rod, means the length of the each rod you will find after dividing this. Got it? I have told you how to divide the value of the decimal in the previous video. Now I am telling you the question number 5. Find the distance walked by a boy in 1.5 hours if he walks 2.150 km in every hour. Got it? This is the question number 5. In 1 hour, boy walks is equal to 2.150 kilometer. Okay, in 1 hour, boy goes 2.150 kilometer, and we have to find out how long this boy will go in 2.5 hours. So we will write, therefore boy will walk whatever you can write will walk in 2.5 hours will be or equal to 2.150 into 2.5. Okay, 2.5 means 2.5. Okay, half means 0.5. Now you will multiply 2.150 into 2.5 and you will get the distance in kilometer. Okay, now the question number 3. 83 notebooks are sold at 15.25 rupees each. Find the total money obtained by selling these notebooks. Means the cost of one notebook is 15.25 rupees and you have to tell the cost of such 83 books. So what you will do? You will just multiply. You will write the cost of one notebook is equal to 15.25 rupees. So therefore the cost of 83 such books will be 15.25 into 83. Okay, when you will multiply you will get the answer of this question. After that I am just going to tell you the question number 8. The question number 8 is a piece of rope is 10 meter 67 centimeter long. Okay, the length, this is the question number 8. Length of rope is given 10 meter 67 centimeter and as you know that it can be written 10.67 meter. Okay, and another rope is 16 meter 32 centimeter long. Okay, length of another rope is given 16 meter and 32 centimeter and this can be written 16.32 meter. Okay, you have to tell that how much the second rope is longer than the first rope. Okay, so for this you will just subtract the length of the first rope by the length of the second rope. Okay, so you will just subtract, you will write second rope is longer than first is equal to 16.32 minus 10.67. When you will subtract it, you will get the answer in meter. Okay, so these were the questions which I told you. You will just do the practice of all these questions and I will just provide you some questions which will be marked in the exercise. You will do those questions on your own. Till then you just keep practice. Thank you.